Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your LG TV to the internet with Wi-Fi or maybe a LAN connection. So let's go up to the top, go to settings right here and select this. Then go to settings here. Wait for this menu to load. Then let's go on down to general. And then we can go to the right and we can go to network now. And select this. And we have two different options. We got Wi-Fi or a wired connection. We can just plug in a cable to the back of the TV and that should work right away. But I'm going to be using Wi-Fi right here. So let's go to Wi-Fi connection and then just find your router under here and connect it. So for example, Scump, we can connect to it and then just type in your password. You can show the password on the top. When you're typing in, you actually know what you're typing. So some random thing like this. And as soon as you type in the correct password, you'll be able to connect. And then you should be able to access the internet on here. You can use the web browser, you can download different applications, etc. Then if you want to learn more information, you can go to other network settings. You can add a hidden wireless network, connect via WPS, connect here with PIN. Then here's the advanced Wi-Fi settings where you can find your MAC address, your IP address, etc. So if you need all that information, it should be under this section right here. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on Your 6 Tech.